hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Cocktails at Home. Today we're making the Rodriguez Sour. It's a little, well, as you know, a few weeks ago we did the last word, and so I had Chartreuse for the last word. So I was trying to find other cocktails that use Chartreuse, and so this is another cocktail that uses Chartreuse, and it also uses tequila, which I always have on hand. The different thing about this tequila is you will have seen in a video that just came out either last week or the week before recently. Just check the feed. This is our Serrano tequila. So the recipe for the Rodriguez Sour calls for 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila, 1/2 ounce of Chartreuse, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and a Jalapeno Syrup. But since the pineapple juice is sweet, I made a few tweaks, as all bartenders are wont to do, I feel. So what we're doing is we did the spicy tequila instead of the jalapeno syrup, and I just cut the syrup out altogether, since the pineapple, I think, is sweet enough. All right, so here we go. Two ounces Serrano tequila. It smells really peppery. It's really yummy. One 1/2 ounce of Chartreuse. One 1/2 ounce lime juice. And 1 full ounce of your pineapple. Fresh pineapple juice too, that smells amazing. All right, we're gonna shake and strain. I'm gonna double strain because that is fresh pineapple juice, and there's a lot of fiber in there. And some people like pulp. I like my drinks a little cleaner. It's always that awkward moment when you're shaking and you don't know where to look. Few taps to work it out. The garnish calls for a jalapeno slice. I don't have a jalapeno right now because I used all the pepper to infuse the tequila. So we could just do a nice little lime twist. Still kind of gives you the same visual as a strip of jalapeno. And you get those lime oils, which is always yummy. All right, cheers, y'all. Have Rodriguez Sour. This one, make it at home. It's really, really good. Cheers.